Hack the Flow State Review. Hi, my name is Emily and I am shy to speak in the mic. So, I used this awesome robotic voice to create Hack the Flow State Review. Welcome to Hack the Flow State Review. There is a state of human consciousness where your mind and body are in complete alignment so that you can focus better and perform the task at hand effectively. In Hack the Flow State by C Wilson Meloncelli, this is called the flow state, which as the author shows is not difficult to achieve. What is Hack the Flow State? Hack the Flow State by C Wilson Meloncelli is a guide that helps you get in the proverbial zone. That mindset that successful people tend to talk about. Here, inspiration flows freely and you find peaks of productivity. Why? Because your brain is excited and it tells your body to act accordingly. In essence, Hack the Flow State is a walkthrough to beat the most common obstacles in life, become sure and confident of yourself and your ideas. You'll be able to sit down and do what you want to do and get it done. Learn how to be solution-oriented. Align your mindset with that of high-achieving people. Reach your goals without losing your mind. What is included in this program? Here's a look at the different components you receive that allow you to hack into the flow to improve your performance, skills and life. The Superhuman Code. Master the Superhuman Code. Elite Flow Program. The 9 Components Meditation. The Instant Flow Meditation. Flow State Wall Charts. The Flow State Manual. And as an added bonus, you also receive the following extras for absolutely free. 7 video tutorials on flow state. Flow chain tutorials. Instant flow quick guide. Movement meditation. The really great thing is that you receive immediate access as soon as you purchase, so you can start unleashing your full potential right away. Pros: comprehensive training. The program combines ancient and modern meditation techniques. Get the best of ancient meditation focused on modern life. Your goals matter, reach for the sky and attain what you always dreamed. Whether health or productivity, the flow state will help you get what you want. Get the best information. This isn't a mystical system full of cryptic information. Instead, you'll always know what to do, and why you're doing it. 100% natural. Hack the Flow State as an all-natural program. You don't need any special equipment, medication, or other invasive methods. Try it, risk-free. You get a 60-day money-back guarantee in case you're not satisfied with the program. Cons: meditation is not precise. Although meditation will always help us, its results may not be what we expected. It's important to be patient and continue. It takes discipline. This isn't an easy method to follow. To avail the best discount from the official website of the manufacturer, click the link in description below. Thanks for watching.